Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. So today I'm gonna show you how to find the center of different shaped MDF. Let's start with the square. This mandala I have finished recently. For this kind of traditional mandala or this doodle, you need to find the center first. I took here 12-inch square MDF. You just need to draw lines diagonally, and the point where the both lines are intersecting with each other is the center. Now let's find the center of a rectangular base. This is Lippon art, but for this or this mandala you need to know the center. Here I have taken a rectangular base and the process is same like the square. Please watch it carefully. Okay. Now let's find the center of a hexagonal base. I don't have normal hexagonal base, so I took a MDF wall plate. Here you need to join the opposite angle like this. Till now I didn't draw any mandala on hexagonal base, but definitely will do. And one thing, don't join them like this or this. Now we got the center, no need to do the third one. For your better understanding I am doing it. Finally, how to find the center of a circle. I have taken here 8-inch MDF. First you need to draw two chords. Don't draw another chord which is exact opposite to this one. Okay, you can take any, but I have taken two 14 centimeter chords and mark the midpoint. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any update, you will get the notification first. Okay, now let's focus the process. Now take a 90-degree triangle and draw a perpendicular line on both of these chords. Although we all have this kind of triangle in our geometry box, but if you don't have, then also I have the solution on second method. You can see the both lines are intersecting with each other, and that's the center. Now let's see whether it is a center or not. It's exact center of a circle, right? Now the second method. This method is for those who don't have that 90-degree triangle. As you can see, I have taken two chords and marked the midpoints. Here midpoints of both chords are very important. Now take a protractor and take the angular measurement of 90 degree and join like this, and where the both of the lines are intersecting, that's the center. Easy, right? Now let's have a taste and just see. Let me draw, and yeah, this is also the exact center of this MDF. Now the third method, for which I have taken 2 MDF because the thickness of this MDF is little thick, but you can do it by using paper, and this method is for those who don't have the protractor or 90-degree triangle. As you can see, I have taken 2 random chords and am gonna draw the perpendicular bisector over them. Okay, please watch it carefully, and if you have any question, please comment down below. To draw this arc, you need to take a measurement which is more than half of these chords. As you can see, the theory is same, but as an artist I am showing you the different easy way to find the center. Now join these 2 points, and then I am gonna repeat the same process for another chord. And please tell me if you want to know about the materials which I used to draw mandala, like paper, MDF, colors, fine liners, dotting tools, canvas, 3D paint, brushes, like that. Then I will try to make a detailed video on that. Okay. Now let's focus. As you can see, the lines of perpendicular bisector of both chords are intersecting at a particular point, and that's the center. Now let's see this is really a center or not, and yeah, by this method you will find the exact center. Let's come to the method number 4. Personally I don't prefer it because it takes time to adjust. Here I know that I have taken 8-inch MDF, so first I find the exact 8-inch and mark the midpoint. Although it is clearly showing, you can see it, this is not the exact center of this circle. Okay, so I need to adjust it. That's why I don't like or I don't prefer this method. It is really time consuming. This is a smaller one, so I found it quickly, but if you take the bigger, then it will be problem. Finally, my favorite process, the paper cutting method. And here nothing to explain, just watch it carefully and I'm sure you will understand properly, because this is very easy and most accurate process to find the center of a circle. And by using method number 3, you will get the exact center of a circle. And by this paper cutting method, you can find the center of maximum 21-inch round. And if you have bigger paper than a newspaper, then you can definitely find the center of a bigger round. It is clearly showing that we got the exact center, just see. Now at last, how to find the center of a oval shaped things, which I am holding right now. It's my latest canvas art. Till now I always preferred the paper cutting method for oval shaped MDF. Always. And you can see this is exact center. If you like my video, please hit the like button. This will really motivate me to create more such informative video for you. If you have any query, do comment down below. Last but not the least, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.